So I was in the middle of my weekly house haul, buying fruits, cleaning the kitchen, the usual. I had just returned from the grocery store with a mountain of fresh fruits, apples, bananas, oranges, and some strawberries that were practically begging to be eaten. I set the bags down and, as always, started with the bananas. I reached for the bunch, but out of nowhere, my dog, Charlie, came barreling into the kitchen like a freight train. He jumped right onto the counter, knocking over a bowl of apples. In the chaos, a banana flew across the room, landing perfectly in the trash can. I stared at it, then stared at him. He wagged his tail, looking proud of himself like he'd just won a gold medal in kitchen sabotage. I couldn't help but laugh. I mean, who knew bananas had such perfect aim? I spent the next 20 minutes cleaning up apple carnage while Charlie proudly sat there, completely oblivious to his little fruit-flinging victory. In the end, I had to laugh at how much the kitchen cleanup turned into a full-blown comedy show.